Hi, I'm Peter from First Maths, and today we'll be looking at number properties for Year 2. The resources. You will need 100 grid, A4 paper cut in half longways and folded concertina style, mental learning objective. I can count in 2s, 5s and 10. Today we are going to start by practicing counting forwards and backwards in 2s, 5s and 10s. Count from 0 to 30 and back again in 2s with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and back again. 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Count from 0 to 50 with me and back again in 5s. Are you ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and back again to 0, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Count from 0 to 100 and back again in 10s with me now. 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and back again. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Well done. What comes immediately before or after this number when counting in 5s? Okay. Then it would go 15, and then the next one, if we're counting in 5s, up would be 20. Well done. And how about if we're counting backwards? What's 5 less than 15? That would be 10. Well done. What comes immediately before or after this number when counting in 5s? 35 plus 5 is 40. Well done. 35 take away 5 is 30. Well done. 50 plus 5 would be 55. 50 minus 5 would be 45. Well done. Count in 10s from 5. Okay, getting trickier. Are you ready? We shall count up to 100 and then back down again. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105. And when we count back to 5, are you ready? 105, 95, 85, 75, 65, 55, 45, 35, 25, 15, 5. Count in twos from 3, and we'll go up to 20 and back down again. Ready? 3 plus 2 is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and we'll go to 21. Okay, back from 21, 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. I can count in 2s, 5s and 10s. Main learning objective. I can work with various properties of numbers. Okay. Main learning task. Today we're going to play a game called Guess My Number. I will give you clues. Cross off the 100 square numbers it can't be. Here is my 100 square. I'm thinking of a number. Can you guess what it might be? It is less than 30, so I can get rid of all the numbers which are 30 or bigger. It is a multiple of 5, so I know that my number must end in a 5 or a 0. So it could be 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25. So let's get rid of the rest. It is a multiple of 10. So as these end in a 5, they are not multiples of 10. So let's get rid of those. It is a multiple of 4. So which of these two is in the 4 time table? 10 is not, because it goes 4, 8, 12. So 10 does not fit. So it must be 20. Let's check. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So yes, 20 is my number. Your teacher has a new number. What is it this time? This time, now you can pause the video to play this game with the 100 square on your whiteboard. Play it 2 or 3 times this game. Main learning task. This activity children will work on their own today. Children need the folded paper. On the front, write, my number is. On the back, write the actual number. Keep the numbers below 100. Inside, write a different clue on each little page. What number clues could we use? Pause the video and talk about it as a class. Write these on the board. Challenge if you want to make this lesson a little harder. Stick 2 books together to make a really long book with lots of clues. Children can choose a number over 100 to make it more difficult. The main learning objective today was I can work with various properties of numbers. Here is the plenary, after you have finished making your books. Show your books to the class. Read out your clues as your teacher crosses out wrong answers on the 100 square. Pause the video and play the game. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then press the like button below it. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. And if you press the notification bell, you will always know when I have uploaded a new maths video, maths game, or maths quiz. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.